Alright guys, welcome to this training series, and here I will be teaching you all about node.js. In this video we are going to go over a brief introduction as to what it is and what can it do for you and how is it better than PHP. I am formerly a PHP developer. I used to swear by it. I thought that was the best thing ever, and it took me a very long time to adapt to the Node.js because I was, simply put, stubborn and I didn't want to experiment with this. I thought that PHP was the greatest thing ever and no other technology can beat that. However, I finally took a step into learning Node.js, and now I am a believer of Node.js. Now I think Node.js is the greatest thing ever. It's a lot better from PHP. And I know if you are a PHP developer, you're like, oh my God, no, it's not, whatever. But wait, like I said before, I'm formerly a PHP developer. So I know where you are right now. I've felt the same way, but like, no, PHP is not better than Node.js. Node.js sucks or whatever beliefs you may have, but let me help you understand, or rather, let me help you better understand the difference between the two. So think of it this way. Your PHP, how it works, it will not do anything else until it has finished doing its first course of action. So let's pretend for a second we are in a restaurant, McDonald's. I know, a great restaurant. We went to McDonald's to order some food, and then we go inside the store, and there's not a lot of lines there at all. Everything is empty, so that's great. So you go there, you order your food, chicken sandwich with drink and fries or whatnot, and the person behind the counter takes your order. And then she said, okay, it's going to be X amount of dollars. You pay the person and you wait for your food. And that's how your PHP works. You go in there, you wait for the person to take your order, and then you pay for your food. However, in Node.js, everything happens one step at a time. So let's take the same scenario. You go to McDonald's, you go in there, you put in your order like you did before, but this time around, when you put in your order, it's gonna go in the kitchen. Like, for example, if you order a chicken sandwich, it's gonna go automatically to the server behind there, like, hey, give me a chicken sandwich. So everything is gonna happen seamlessly behind scenes. So you order your chicken sandwich. As she pushed the button, now the process behind the kitchen, the chicken sandwich is already being prepared for you, and then you order your fries, then the food is going to then your fries are going to get prepared for you, and then your drink, somebody else is getting your drink. So those three different processes are going to happen almost same time, as compared to in PHP, your cashier will have to wait for you to complete your order. So she has to get your sandwich, your fries, and your drink. And once all of those three things are done, then somebody else is gonna go prepare your sandwich. Then they're gonna go prepare your fries. Then somebody's gonna go get your drinks. This is a very simple concept, but if you get the hang of this, you will start to see where PHP comes nowhere near what Node.js can do. And then also, one of the greatest thing about Node.js is it's all based on JavaScript. And if you have developed any application on the front end side in JavaScript, you know how fast JavaScript is. If something that will take you around 900, let's just take a ballpark figure. Let's say if a process takes you in PHP 100 millisecond, not 100 second, that would be outstanding. If something that takes you 100 millisecond in PHP, the same process will take you 10 milliseconds. I cannot emphasize that enough. 10 milliseconds. So it's like depending on what you're doing, how complex your process is, you're going to see a significant amount of speed. Let me repeat that. You're going to see significant amount of speed. And nowadays with Google Update, page speed, and all the other stuff, whatever, if your website is not fast, nobody is going to come to it. Hell, it's not even going to get searched or indexed in your in the Google search results. So having said all that, in this series, what I'm going to show you how you can use Node.js in your projects. And just as a side note, I have several different websites, my personal websites that I am running on Node.js platform, and already created a CMS based on this. This is how much I love this thing now. That's how much I have invested my time into it. So I've created myself a regular CMS, just like your WordPress is called nodepress.com. And I will be releasing it to general public soon enough. And it's just amazing. When you get your hands on that, you're gonna be like, oh my God, how did I use WordPress before this? This that great. But in a nutshell, Node.js is based on old JavaScript, and PHP is not it does not even come close to beating Node.js. Without any further ado, let's install Node.js and also MongoDB, which is your database. There are several other databases that are available, one of them being MySQL, but I have found during my testing phase that MongoDB is 100 times better in terms of performance and execution time and all that good stuff compared to your regular MySQL. So in the next video, we're going to be installing our Node.js application into our computer, and also we're going to be installing MongoDB, and I'll see you guys in the next video.